Hello everybody, welcome to A Joyful Clay Tutor. My name is Treston, and in this video I'm going to be answering the question, how strong is Craft Smart natural clay? Now, this is sold as an air dry clay by Michaels or Amazon or wherever you can buy this clay. I bought it at Michaels for $13.99 in 2021. And in this video I'm going to be demonstrating how strong this clay really is. So, let's get started. Before we start, would you please give me a like on my video and please subscribe to my channel and let me know down in the comments below what you think of this kind of clay, if you've ever used it. So, let's get started. Hey. So, what I did here was I rolled out a setting 5 on my pasta machine, which is about one card, one plain deck of cards thick. I rolled out one thing that is 2 cards thick or 3 cards thick. I rolled out a piece of clay that is 1/8 of an inch thick. I rolled a piece of clay out that is 1/4 of an inch thick. It's 1/4 of an inch thick. I rolled out a piece that is 1/2 an inch thick. I rolled out a piece that is 3/4 of an inch thick. And I rolled out a piece that is 1 inch thick. So let's show you how strong this clay is. So this is a number 1, which is 1 or 2 cards. Let's see how when you snap it, it just crumbles into pieces. So, not good. 3 plain cards thick. Let's see how easy it crumbles. Just, easy to snap it. It just crumbles. 1/8 of an inch thick. Okay. It still crumbles, but, it takes a little bit more pressure on the thumbs. So that's not too bad. 1/4 of an inch thick. Can we snap it? 1/4 of an inch thick. I'm impressed. You can't snap it. 1/2 an inch thick. Oh, it snapped, but it takes a little bit more pressure to snap it. Okay, here we go again. I'm trying to snap it again. It snapped in the middle, but I can't snap the ends. You got to really put a lot of pressure on the clay to snap it. 3/4 of an inch thick. It's not going anywhere. You can't snap this clay. So, very impressive. And 1 inch thick, and again, you're not going to be able to snap this clay. Well, I hope that answers your question. How strong is Craft Smart natural clay? It is pretty good if you make it 1/4 of an inch thick. This is a pretty good clay. It's got its own, idiosyncrasies, and I'll teach you in other videos on how to work with this clay and how to use this clay. So please watch the playlist, like my videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.